Hey, what's going on, everyone? You guys won't believe this BioPharma stock that I just found. Yeah, it's right here. It's Pfizer, right? Simple. Now I'm going to break down off of the price chart why I suspect that this stock is going to continue to try to go up. All right, without being confused, real simple, real easy, and then we all can go about our regular lives. So let's break this down real quick as to why I think Pfizer is a pretty good stock to see prices to continue to go up. First things first, what trend are we currently in right now in Pfizer? What do you think? Would you agree that this stock currently is in a uptrend? Would you agree? Hopefully you do, because charts don't lie. Yes, it's trending higher. Every time the market in Pfizer comes down to this trend line, it continues to bounce and go up, thereby stating a trend. All right, cool. So that's one thing. Second thing is, look at Pfizer on the 2 weeks. Okay. Do you see what just happened into the market in Pfizer off of this 2-weekly price bar? Where was the last high in the market in Pfizer? It was here on these 2-weekly price bars. And it also passed the high from the beginning of this year. So the whole time of this year, 2024, Pfizer has not traded above the high of $30.28. But yet, we have now succeeded at that. We are now trading above the high at the beginning of this year. What I'm trying to say is that we're seeing a shift occur in this stock. Now, I don't know, is the stock going to continue to go higher because of the upcoming winter flu season or the pandemic, COVID, people getting the shot once again? So maybe the market is getting prepared for that. Maybe someone is buying some stock so that they can get ahead of this curve. Because it happens every year, right? People inevitably will get sick. Maybe people will begin to buy flu shots. Did you see Pfizer on the 3 weeks? Again, check this out. This is the 3-week time frame. We got this indication of strength, push to go up, and a successful test. Charts don't lie. Someone is feeling bullish in Pfizer. I don't know who it is. I could care less who it is. What I care about is that they're actually showing us their hand. Because if you wasn't bullish, you wouldn't be buying the stock. Someone is here trying to buy the stock. Even on the 3 weeks, the price is now higher than the high of November 2023. We're breaking highs in the market in Pfizer. Here it is on the 5 weeks. See that? Taking it all the way back to November 2023. So from November 2023, this market has just been trading within a range. And the crazy part is that the volume is heavy. Look at that volume. Look at all these volume bars. Someone's been accumulating some Pfizer, looks like. You see that? Is it just me, or is it a coincidence that the market in Pfizer, we can take it all the way back here to 2013. Okay, I'm just giving you indications to show you what's actually going on in the market. That's all. That the market bounces in that zone. It did it how many times? It did it numerous times in 2013. It did it in 2014. It touched in 2015. It did it in 2016. It did it again in 2020. And here he is again. If that don't tell you where people are opening up their wallets and buying the stock, I don't know what will. We have too many instances to where buyers come in and approach the market around $25. So now we need to figure out, okay, how high do we think this stock is going to go? Because it may not go that high. earnings, as a matter of fact, is due to be released tomorrow. So we may see the market come all the way back down to this buy zone. So don't be surprised if that occurs. So let's go ahead and mark some sell zones in Pfizer. That's a sell zone. And here's the other one. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to drop a price prediction looking for Pfizer to go up. Now, our target is going to be at this first sell zone. It can be at the low of the sell zone or even at the high. But that's where we're targeting. At the high, at the $34.15, that gives around 11%. Right there. Okay. And we're going to bring our support down to this buy zone here. So even if price crashes down to $26, I'm cool with that, right? I just don't want to see the market do this though. Let's say we crash down to this buy zone, we try to hold it, and then we completely do this, then yeah, you gotta let that go. But if we come down and we continue to hold and then begin lift, I'm cool with that. So that's something I'll be paying attention to. So yeah, this is our first target here. Then our second target is going to be like around $35.50. So now, what do you guys think? We need to add it to our simulated portfolio. Let's go ahead and do it. Today's the 29th. We're going to drop that Pfizer on here. Price at the last trade was at $30.77. And we just keep track. All right. So now we are done with that. And you guys are up next. What do you think? High, low, crash? What do you guys think? Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button. So you can also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.